How to fix Monopoly Go invite friends not working. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Monopoly Go application. Here we go. Now what you have to do is close your application. Okay, let's close it. Let's go out of the application now. Close the tab of your app. Then open it again and see if your problem has been resolved or not. And if this step does not work, what you can do is, if you are an iPhone user, go to settings first. Okay, here we go. Now tap on general over here. Now after tapping on general, you have to go to iPhone storage. Now scroll down and then search for Monopoly Go. Okay, here we go. Tap on it and then tap on offload app. Offload your application and this will clear the cache of Monopoly Go. Then reinstall it after some time. And if you are an Android user, what you can do is tap on your Monopoly Go application for a while until you see the option of clear cache. Then that's how you can clear cache from your Android mobile as well. So that was all for today. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.